Greeting viewers. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to write a small program that would count the number of vowels in a string that would be entered by the user. If you remember, then we have done a similar program in the previous video where we had counted the number of times B occurred in the string. If you haven't watched the previous video where we have learned about the basics of strings in Python, then I have the video in the I button above. You can check it out. So now let us start with the program. You can stop the video here and try it on your own first and then carry on with the video. So first we will write the basic code which would accept the string from the user. That is, str equal to input bracket double or single quotes and then type a string. Also, we will define a variable as c equal to 0 which would help in counting the number of vowels in the string we enter. Now for I in str colon. So here we have to count the number of vowels in the string, so we can define another variable named check, which would be equal to a-e-i-o-u, both small as well as in capital letters. Now we will continue after the colon. If I in check then again colon, c is equal to c plus 1. Now we will write print c. So as we enter the string elephant is an animal, and press enter, then we can see the output as 8 because there are 8 vowels in the string we have entered. So that was all for now. Next time we will be continuing with the same topic, that is strings. For now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe to it. And if you liked the video, then press the like button. And for any doubt or suggestion, you are always welcome, you can comment down. Thanks for watching.